get caught in the rain. You say love me, but you'll never change. I always get caught in the rain. You say love me,
Elevate, this mix sounds mad.
But the spliff when they put Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook but stick. Stuff 8 in a blick, 16 in the glaze like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. Sundown, jump in a ride, jump out, guns out, freeze up, gonna get gunned down. Just watch how the bulldog bark and the teeth got bite man's head. AG bloodhound. If you want wolf, got a back dog down. Just watch how my shank plunge in, plunge out. Tryna shut lungs down, leave a man rubbed out. Gels coming out sub, ones in, ones out. One goes mum's house, tridents on me. Get grabbed nothing but silence from me. I'm para, them sirens for me. They wanna pin all the violence on me. Get caught is a sticky predicament. ZK tear through skin, flesh, ligaments. Off keep touching civilians, we're not equivalent. 3-8 cause innocent. But this spliff when they brought Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook back stick. Stuff 8 in the blick, 16 in the gliz like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. But this spliff when they brought Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook back stick. Stuff 8 in the blick, 16 in the gliz like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. Woke up, got a call from bro like yo. You know where it is, let's go, let's go. Got rid of my phone, you know how it goes. Sell side, give you life in a selfie, bro. Sell white for the skank, then this free smoke. Free smoke, free smoky. Hammer on bro, then I must be low-key. Feed man every inch of this pokey. Me bro day, that's K's like Ku Klux. Killer Jedi for the clan. Me SY like Boondocks, I'm a man, but he a man with a plan. This ain't just a gang, it's only the fam. If your heart ain't in there, you just can't hang. I wavy, left and right, deep camp. I know the up block at the back of my hand. I'm the voice at Dirk, I'm captivating. Jump out, I'm activated. Be glad you made it, could've got decapitated. I love this drill shit, I'm infatuated. Flip my kill switch, get sent to Satan. Don't really feel shit, streets raise a soldier. I'm your oldest older, aim above the shoulder. We some shotters, shooters, we some rock and rollers. She a baddie, baddest, got the biggest blackest. When she throw a bat, I need to find my balance. Need to keep a balance, man of many talents. Father and a savage, better manage your manners. In the north, we gunners, bro, we eat for hammers. Only trust a larky, he's the best of planners. Nigga, you ain't Tony, wanna be Montana. Heard that nigga singing, bitch, you more like Hannah. But this spliff when they brought Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook back stick. Stuff 8 in the blick, 16 in the gliz like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. But this spliff when they brought Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook back stick. Stuff 8 in the blick, 16 in the gliz like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. But this spliff when they brought Henny. Man get lit when they get hit. Do hits and still make hits. I done hit the charts with a hook back stick. Stuff 8 in the blick, 16 in the gliz like a 32 bar gangs letting it spit. Let the SK sting on my Gxng. The industry gone, let the real killers in. They want me dead and the feeling's mutual. Don't catch feelings, we catch bodies. Then it's back to business as usual. We took that 9 to 5, that's hammer and nose, got drilled this manual. Step on the auto, shoot like Daniel Craig. Yev, that's 007. Broski's tapped, he doubled his weapon. Asked him why, says double the wettings. Left for an hour, gotta be patient. Spot me up, get doppied in seconds. 3 man step, that S times 3 and it equals death, so keep it stepping. We the full steppers, bro, they blitz with queffers. The whole AGB done wet our wetters. Beat us gangs, them man beat their dead friend. Girls, I'm glad that I ain't got deadbeat friends. Beef can't end, give them wounds that nurse can't mend. So mum tryna make ends meet, so I hit the bando tryna make some cheese. Got stuck in a trap like mice and smoking mist, then smoking light. Is an eye if I don't wanna fuck tonight. Just give me top when I smoke this up. Don't up switch, one got bare, got dropped. Squeeze got chopped and rest got shot. Bro beat shots and her head got knocked off. She won't play Angel, I know she's not. Two shots, now her head's on butt. She a throat goat, I give next shot. She took my soul and I take those 2. Ops on Fox, both get back shots. Henny got me in a different mood, been money and beef since I was with you. Now I'm trying to make it out with verses. Tired of putting these bricks in hearses. Action left is friend to get cabbage. Please don't talk about purges. 2 wrongs don't make it right, but if I get wrong, I can't see right. So gang went there, made him rest in peace. Good news, made man sleep tight. Good news nowadays in bad disguise. Street still do you know I'm the truth. If you ain't put hands in a pagan you, then don't talk jewels in the booth. Hold don't stop, bare heartbeats drop. Hop out the car like Jack in a box. Remember first time saw Jack in the pot. See him disappear, come back as a rock. 14 with a crap pack. That's school of rock, no Jack Black. That's working Arsenal backpack. Pool just picked up fine, no blackjack. In the air, I'm a king like Henry VIII. Tryna take heads off in Queens. Play cards right or you might get seen on your J's and left right there in the scene. 10 man dash and 9 did make it. Bro gets calling and your broski ate it. Probably AGB is a 7s. Probably broke, cause it's all the same thing. And you know don't fuck with the 6. Say it 3 times, don't fuck fuck with Satan. And when you want mention Camden, leave out the fight cause they're disgraces. Snitches, pagans, tryna find refuge in the police stations. More than 4 got missed, got left in the pavement. 3 AR the cages. Guy 2 time with the first one aced it. Bro 2 tap just carried on shaving. We ain't your average pagan. Shit's intense when you beefing the agents. Don't know what drugs he was taking. He got now you're on medication. Bro got and took a vacation. Bro got and took a vacation. Aye, 3 fucking niggas in it. Get man, AGB shit. Get man.